Okay, for this part, we will be talking about the cut solid function. What it does basically is cut a solid body with another solid body. You will be able to find the function in the part design section. So what we have now is a box, a solid box. And what we want to do is first cut the center cylinder. And of course, if you want to do so, you have to make the cylinder first by extrapolative or just construct solid based on the sketch. Make sure the size is good enough so they intersect with each other. Then if we want to cut, you need to select the object or the solid you want to cut first. Then click on Cut Selected Solid. Next, click on the tool that you want to use to cut the body and click on OK. Then this is done. You can actually do the similar functions to adding solid as well. For example, if we want the top 4 cylinders on the top, what we can do is we can make one first, like this. Make sure it's constrained. Then, since all the cylinders are in patterns, what we can do is we can select the cylinder we created, do a linear pattern. Notice that we can actually do it in 2 directions here. You might need to flip the direction, change the spacing, and apply. And if you take a look at the object tree, you will find that there are 2 solids. So the next we want to do is select both of them, click on the combined solids. This will help to combine everything into one solid model.